Hey class, here's the article I want to send you this week. It talks about proteins. So we have hereditary material, and what you were pretty much taught was, hey, the hereditary material in the cells or in the nucleus of the cell, and it's the DNA. That's our hereditary material. Well, it turns out there's more hereditary material than just DNA. For instance, you're actually a little bit more genetically related to your mother than your father, for instance. So yes, you do get half of your DNA from your father, but there's many things that carry over from your mother, and one of them is your mitochondria. Mitochondria is passed through female line. Also, with that, and probably even more, and this is an emerging field, are the proteins. So, proteins are an important part of our hereditary material. So, it's not just the nucleic acids, the DNA, that contain all of our instructions. It's also the proteins. And I remember this because when I was growing up, show you my age, where there was an amazing movie called Jurassic Park. And with that, there was missing genomes in the dinosaurs, and they filled it with like frogs or something like that. I forget exactly what it was, but they filled in the genome, and the problem with that is, of course, I mean, you're with the dinosaurs. I mean, we've lost a lot of the genetic material, so it's not just. I mean, yeah, there's not really that the DNA doesn't last that long, but also the proteins. So we really don't know. That's just as far as our technology right now understanding. That's lost in time, and it's still growing. So just to keep that in mind, that we have other types of genetic material, and one of them is proteins, and the proteins, among other things, are the molecules that do things in our cells, right? So in our bodies, the proteins, they function. They're one of the primary things that gives us as biological creatures a function. So, and some good news, it looks like the Omicron variant is starting to fizzle out. The numbers seem to be going down, so that's great news. I'm very happy that this wave is coming over. But if you are sick, you feel free to let me know. And I mean, if you're too sick to contact me, that's fine too. We can sort it out afterwards. And in general, if you find yourself without your basic needs being met, feel free to drop me an email, and I can see what I can do to help you. So, and anyway, anyways, if you are feeling overly anxious or desperate or any of these kind of things, again, feel free to reach out to me. I will always do what I can to help you out. Also, academically, if you're having any academic issues in this class or the classes, feel free to reach out as well, and I can help you directly if it's in my power, or I can help strategize with you to figure out how to get around your issues. So, goodbye for now. Have a nice weekend. Goodbye.